part 3. So I got these 2 slimes. This is like the other one, but not glitter. So let's just make it back. Alright, ready, set, open. This thing is... Got it. Oh, I have a feeling. Okay, it doesn't feel as bad as the other one, maybe because the other one it's glitter in it. I don't know. So we got, this is just silver slime. Okay, yeah, just silver. Just silver, nothing too fancy. But I do like silver. My pop-up's getting a new car tomorrow, I guess. I got school tomorrow. I gotta go to my dad's tomorrow, and I also have to go to my, and tomorrow's Monday, and I also gotta go to my dad's tomorrow. So, hey, who else is a big deal? Alright, and then the next slime is this, crystal clear slime. How would it be crystal clear? My friend Savannah probably had a container, and she probably made slime like this, but I'm not sure. So this is, you can take it all out, and it's like blue with some beads inside, and it's like pink glitter and blue glitter, and it's a really nice dark color blue. I think it's really cool. I'll show you it then. It doesn't look anything. I'll show you, I'll introduce it to you in the next video. So this thing is not really like slime, it's putty, whatever you say. But this is kind of like slime. And of course this. And then probably these 2, I guess. So, I'll strap it on my car mat. Because if I wouldn't, it would actually ruin my car baby. Alright, sorry if it makes a farting noise. Okay. Go follow Brownie Brown. She's my friend, that's Emmy. Go follow her. And you want me to show you the slime right now? Does this look anything like slime? No, look. It's play foam. Like, it's all play foam. This whole big chunk is all play foam. Satisfying though. Ugh, and then it's really hard to get out, but it's okay. Thank you for, wait, hang on. I think I'm doing something wrong. Thank you for watching my slime videos. If you guys miss Emmy, then just watch her videos. And I will put it out. It's called Brownie Brown. You guys can find her. I don't know. It should have a picture of like the mouse cut out. Just click on her and then you'll find her. Simple as that. But when I'm with you, I'm gonna put the slimes back to where they were. So all these slimes were over there. And these 2 over here. Wait, no, sorry. Over here. This one, right over here. This one, and this one. It's been a long day without you here. I'll tell you all about it. Ouch. Ooh. It's been a long day. I'll tell you all about it when I see this. Come a long way. Oh, wait. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my slime videos. Oh my goodness, like too much. I hope you guys love so much. Thank you so much. So much glitter. You guys can see it. There's glitter.